Langchain. Your path to AI transformation with Bluebash. Introduction to Langchain. Langchain is a versatile framework for large language models to overcome traditional limitations. Empowers real-time info integration and custom AI models for diverse business needs. Langchain is a game-changer in the world of AI. It's a versatile tool that connects AI models with various data sources, making it perfect for tasks like understanding human language and data analysis. Features of Langchain. Framework, plug-and-play, data source, customizable apps and future enhancements. The process to develop applications with Langchain. Difference between Langchain and traditional models. Overview. Framework type. Models used. Applications. Data sources. Customization. Real-time data. Represented. Bluebash AI. Powered by Bluebash.